Welcome back to channel. In this video, I will share a best profitable project that has the name NANING9, and in this video, I will share a complete review that how to register, how to take your deposit into your asset. Next, you can also watch in this video that how to take your withdrawal as a profit you can into your wallet. So let's start the video. The link will be provided in the video description. When you click on this link, you will get some interface where you have to register your account by giving some detail like your username. Next, you have to put a password that should consist of 6 to 8 digit password. Next, you have to confirm that password. After, you have to put an invitation code that will provide it in the video description, so you can also copy and paste on this interface. After that, you have to select your country code in which do you live. Next, you have to put a mobile number that you use in your mobile device. Next, you have to put a verification code that you can see. My verification code is 7953. You can get another number, so you have to put that number in a verification code place. After giving all these details, you have to click on the register now button. As I have already account, so I click on the login here. You can see my username and password. So I click on the login. Then you can also watch that as an agent on this platform. If you invite a lot of friends on this platform, then you can get monthly salary up to 58,000 USDT. Next, you can also watch NANING9 is the best commission reward project. You can also get a lot of reward by grabbing your task on this platform. So in this video, I will share that how to deposit on this platform. So first of all, you have to click on the deposit button. Next, you have to select the TRC20 or ESC20 wallet address in which you have asset. You have to select that wallet. So I choose TRC20. I click on the next button. Then you can also watch that you can invest from 30 to 1 lakh USDT in this platform. So I choose 300 USDT, and you can also click on the copy to copy the wallet address of the wallet on which we have to transfer our money to recharge our platform. So I go to my wallet for transaction. So friend, here you can see that my wallet interface. You have to click on the send button. Next, you have to paste the wallet address that we have copied on the recipient address on this platform. As I have selected 300, so I put it and click on the continue button. And here you can see that my user wallet interest has wrong, so I set it and click on the next. You can see that my transfer is ready, so I can transaction now by clicking on the continue. After giving the password, it will be done. You can also take a screenshot as a proof that you have done your transaction into wallet. And after on this interface, you have to upload that screenshot we have taken recently. So you have to click on the arrow button, then you have to click on the flash button. Here you have to select the recently transaction wallet and click on the continue button, confirm button. After giving all these details, you can see on the my profile to get these that your available balance has been increased from 0 to 300 USDT, as you can invest your money on this platform. Next, I'll show you that what is the work that you have to do for the reward collection. So you have to click on the home button. Next, you have to select the unit 808, and where you can see the entry limit is 30 level 1 and daily order is 35, and you can also get per order commission is 0.3%. So you have to select it and you have to click on the automatic wrap, and then you have to wait for 4 seconds. After that, you have to click on the submit button. In this way, you can also complete your first order. We have earned 0.09 USDT as a commission reward. So we have to click on the automatic wrap. Then you have to wait for 4 seconds. After that, you have to click on the submit button. In this way, you can also complete 35 order. So friend, you can see that we have completed our second order. In this way, you can also complete 35 order, and you can get up to 7 USDT daily if you invest 300 USDT. So you can also get a lot of reward by this project. So here you can see that we have completed our 3 order. In this way, you can also complete to get 0.3 order commission, and I'll show you that how much we can earn after completing the 10 orders or 15 orders. तो दोस्तों अब आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि हमने अपने 15 ऑर्डर कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. सो फ्रेंड, यू कैन सी दैट वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर 15 ऑर्डर एंड आवर अर्निंग कमीशन 4.24 USDT that has been increased in our available balance. Next, you can also watch that we have earned up to 8 USDT after completing 35 order. Next, I'll show you that how much we can earn after completing 25 order, and you can also withdraw in this video. So let's complete it. So friend, you can see that we have completed our 25 order. Our earning commission is 6.92. Next, I'll show you that how much we can earn after completing 30. So friends, you can see that we have completed our 31 order. In this way, you can also grab your 35 order. After 24 hours, you will get new one order to complete to get a lot of reward as a commission. So in this way, you can also complete by, you have to click on the automatic grab, then you have to wait for 4 seconds. Next, you have to click on the submit. In this way, you have to complete 35 order. So friend, you can see that we have completed our 32 order and our earning commission is 8.9 USDT. And you have to submit. There is the 33 order that we have submitted successfully. So friend, this is our last order that we are grabbing now, and in this way you can also complete your 35 order. That you can also watch that we have not cancelled any order. You can also read all the description that are the rules that every member from this room be able to get 35 order per day. After 24 hours you will get new 34 order that you have to click on the grab, and you can earn commission up to 9.84 USDT daily. So next I'll show you that how to take withdraw. For withdrawal you have to click on the withdrawal amount. Next you have to set a payment password that should consist of 4 digits. After that you have to click on the submit button. In this way you can also complete your payment password. Next you have to add withdrawal method, where you have to put your real name, your email address. Next you have to put your mobile number. After that you have to put your address on which you have living. Next you can see the TRC20 wallet address in which you want to take your withdrawal amount. So I go to my wallet. This is my interface of wallet, where I choose TRC20 wallet address and select select receive button, and next you can also copy the address and you have to paste on this interface where you want. On this interface where you want to take your withdrawal in my wallet. So after giving the transaction password, you have to click on the submit button. In this way you can also add your withdrawal method. Whenever you want to take your withdrawal, then amount will be transferred to your account directly. Next you can also watch your profile balance that has been increased. Next you can also, we have already told you that how to deposit, how to take withdraw. Next you can also invite your friend to get participation in the 58,000 USDT as a monthly salary. You have to click on the friend invitation. You can also copy link and spread it out to any social media links to get your friend on this platform. When they will invest, you can also see the team report, like what your team has been balanced and what they have invested, how much they have earned. You can also get your commission by their earning. In this way you can also, in the last video I will show you some proof of our withdrawal and deposit rate. So let's start it. So friend, you can see that we have successfully deposited, and you can also see that 70.86 USDT that we have successfully deposited. You can also watch. Next you can also watch that we have taken our withdrawal. So you can also think, and you can also watch that this is very trusted, secure and reliable process by which you can get a lot of reward. As a commission reward, you can also watch the team balance, and this is also a taken reward by this project. So NANING9 is the best profitable project, secure, and next I'll show you a video. By watching this, you can also inspire to get work on this platform, because this is very enjoyable, and you can also get your friend on this platform to enjoy and earning by grabbing your task. So let's start the video.